Hi, I'm Brett. Congratulations on purchasing a Redsbaby JIVE⁵ Platinum. I'm going to show you how to assemble the pram. First, release the latch and lift up your handle. Take one of your rear wheels, press the black button in the middle and slot it into the hole. Then repeat the same on the other side. Now with the front wheels, simply pick up your front wheel and slot it in as well, till it clicks into place, and repeat the same for the second wheel. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble your bassinet. When setting up your bassinet, you'll need your bassinet, your lining, your mattress, your apron, and your adapters. When you get your bassinet, you'll see 3 metal struts inside. You need to open them up to get the bassinet first ready. Slide your hands in and they will just slide into place. Next, get your bassinet lining. Find the Velcro corner and secure the Velcro on. Once your liner is inside, get your bassinet mattress and simply place it inside. Next, pull your canopy all the way forward and get your bassinet apron. Your bassinet apron has a set of magnets. Now actually click onto the bassinet canopy. Next, you'll get your adapters. There's a left and a right adapter that will come with the bassinet, and they'll say on the front of the adapter what side they're for. So slide your right adapter in first and then do the same for the left. With your bassinet, simply pick it up and it will slide straight into the adapters. And now I'll show you how to assemble the seat. How to assemble the JIVE⁵ Platinum seat. When you do get your seat out of the box, the canopy will already be attached. Simply pick up your seat and you connect it straight into the pram. With the bumper bar, simply click from one side and then click into the other. And now I'm going to show you how to set up the JIVE tandem with the second seat. Setting up the JIVE⁵ Platinum tandem. When you get your second seat in the box, you'll have your second seat and 4 adapters, 2 upper adapters and 2 lower adapters. Let's start with the lower adapter first. To put on the adapter, simply take off the wheel by pressing the button. Get your adapter, slide it down, click it over, and it'll click into place and then put back on the wheel. Pick up your other adapter and now do the same for the other side. To now put on the second seat. First, put down your basket and then your second seat will simply click in. Pick up your upper adapters. Again, you'll have a left and right adapter. Slide them in. And at this point you have a choice. You can either connect your bassinet or your seat. To connect your seat, simply line it up and it will click straight into place. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our local customer care.